If you are in need of a professional and reliable government land surveyor in Bhubaneswar, look no further than Scon India Private Limited. With years of experience in the industry, Scon India is a trusted name when it comes to land surveying services. Whether you require a survey for residential or commercial purposes, their team of expert surveyors is equipped with the knowledge and tools to provide accurate and precise results. As a government land surveyor in Bhubaneswar, Scon India understands the importance of adhering to strict regulations and guidelines set by the government. They have a thorough understanding of land laws and regulations in Bhubaneswar, ensuring that all surveys are conducted in compliance with the law. This attention to detail and commitment to quality is what sets them apart from other surveying companies in the area. Scon India Private Ltd utilizes advanced surveying technology and equipment to ensure the highest level of accuracy in their surveys. Their team of skilled surveyors is trained in using cutting-edge instruments such as GPS systems, total stations, and 3D laser scanners. This enables them to capture precise measurements and create detailed maps and plans. With their expertise, they can accurately determine boundaries, elevations, and other important features of the land being surveyed. When you choose Scon India as your government land surveyor in Bhubaneswar, you can expect professionalism, efficiency, and excellent customer service. They understand that each project is unique and requires personalized attention. Their team works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and deliver tailored solutions that meet their needs. Scon India Private Ltd has established a strong reputation for delivering high-quality land surveying services in Bhubaneswar. Their commitment to excellence has earned them the trust of numerous clients, including government agencies, real estate developers, and construction companies. They have successfully completed a wide range of projects, from small residential surveys to large-scale commercial developments. In conclusion, if you are looking for a government land surveyor in Bhubaneswar, Scon India Private Ltd is the name you can trust. With their experience, expertise, and dedication to quality, they are well equipped to handle all your land surveying needs. Contact them today to discuss your project requirements and receive a reliable and accurate surveying solution.